Hello and welcome back to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 19 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. And today we're going to be learning about the capo. Something a guitarist must have. You must have this either in your gig bag or something. You must have access to it. And when you're playing, what you want to do is just put it on the head of the guitar. Very simple. It's got rubber on it, so it's not going to hurt the head. Wherever you want to place it is up to you. Okay, whichever is easier for you to access. Okay. All right. What the capo is basically for is, let's say you want to play in a certain key. You want to play in the key of A. Okay. So when you play in the key of A, the guitar up here, playing in the key of A, and it's too low for your vocals, but you still want to play in the key of A. So what you do is you grab your capo, you use your second finger and then the palm here. You want to use your third or fourth finger to hold it there. That's fine. It's like that. Open it up. Now as you see, before I put it on the guitar, you see there's a rubber area right here. Black rubber. That's what depresses the strings, and this part here goes to the back of the neck. Okay? And the handle is spring loaded. Alright? So like I said, second finger, you put your third and fourth right there. Use your palm, like that. Open it up. It's like that. Okay? Open it up. Put it on the first fret. You want to get it as close to the fret as possible. You don't want to go on the fret. As close to the fret as possible, and play. Okay. You're a half step higher. Okay, it's still too low. Okay, open it up, go here. Still too low, so keep going. That's pretty much it. It's just so basically you can play in a higher key. That's all the capo is for. And sometimes, like I said, if you're just a singer and that guitarist is playing in the key of D, well, if he wants to go to another key, well, you have to transpose, which is another lesson altogether, but you still want to play in the key of D, and he or she wants to sing in a higher key, you just bring it up. You're still playing in D, or you're still playing the D pattern, but it's just a higher key. Okay? So that right there, I believe, is the key of F. Let's make sure here. See? So, that's basically what the capo is for. Alright? So, subscribe to my channel, like and share this page. Tell your friends about this, about these lessons. Okay? You start from the beginning. In the intermediate courses, we're going to be getting into the real fun stuff. So stay tuned for that. So we're going to see you in the next lesson.